Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the Ricky's Cult Crushes unboxing. But first let me tell you a little bit about this box. It is $14 a month now. This is the first month that they've upped the price. It previously was $11 a month. So we will see if there's an increase in value with an increase in price. You do get free shipping on this box. You get a theme selection of hand-picked products in cosmetics, skincare, hair care, and fashion. And then you also get 25% off on the Ricky's online store. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right. Oops. So it looks like this once you have it opened. So, let's see, we'll go ahead and take out the card right here. So this is the card, and then on the back it has everything that you received in the box. It does not list the values. I will put the values down below when I break down the box, okay? So let's see, the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this face mask right here. This is from Iroha. Not sure if I'm saying that right. It is, sorry, it's written in a different language. I want to say it's Spanish. Let's see, let me read the card. So it's a foil tissue patch. Oh, so it's like the gold under eye patch. So it says the 24 karat gold foil tissue patches. They improve the appearance of your skin around the eyes and lips, providing all day hydration and firmness. So I did already see the full spoiler for this box, which kind of sucks that they post everything and then I already know what I'm getting, but then I can research it. And I do know that this is cruelty free, so I can definitely give these a whirl. You know, I've gotten so many of these type of gold under eye things, and I've never actually tried them, and I hate my under eyes. Especially this one. So maybe I'll try this, and maybe my eyes will look better the next time you see me. So we will try this out. Let's see, the next one I have another, well, not another, but I have two face masks right here. They are from Avatara. And one is a shape up face mask for delicate skin. Restores elasticity to skin so skin can look and feel its best. And then the other one is an even out face mask to get smaller pores. Let's see. I'm trying to see. I could not find out online if these were cruelty free or not. They are vegan. I did find that out. Okay, the next thing I see in here is healthy hair vitamins. They're right there. These are from Harfinity. It says, let your hair grow long and your nails grow strong with a 7-day supply of vitamins. They provide your body with key ingredients like vitamins A and D, niacin, biotin, and vitamin B12. Let's see. I'm not sure if they are vegan or not. I don't know how I feel about getting vitamins, really. I think vitamins are kind of it's just weird, honestly, if you want my opinion, but maybe we'll try them out. I do take other vitamins, so I will do some more research into these before I decide if I want to take them or not. But 7-day supply, so not that you can really tell a difference in 7 days. I feel like you need at least 30 days to see if a vitamin does anything for you, especially a hair, skin, and nail one. Okay, let's go to the next item. This is from Gulsha. It is Ultimate Rosewater. It is a toner, it looks like. Yeah, toner for pure, radiant skin. You know, I've never used a toner. I don't think I have. This was another brand where I couldn't find really if it was cruelty free or not, so I'll probably put this in for a giveaway too. But it says, not your typical rosewater spray. This one is produced produced drop by drop by the distillation of fresh rose petals. It protects, soothes, and tones your skins, plus it's perfect on the go pick-me-up for those hot summer days. So, there's that. Okay, looks like I have 2 more things in here. The next one is from Murad, which I know is cruelty-free. This is a clarifying cleanser. It is acne cleanser. I don't get acne. I've been very lucky my whole life. I very, very rarely get pimples. I do have the Murad like face cream, and I really like it a lot. This brand is really good. But since I don't have acne, I don't really have a use for this. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in for a giveaway as well. And if you have acne, you'll like that, I'm sure. It's a good brand. Cruelty-free as well. I'm not sure if I said that. And then I have one more item. This is from Suva Beauty. It is a Shimmer Shadow. This one is cruelty-free. I did find that out, so. It's just a real coppery shade. Let me see what it's actually called. It is called Queen's something. I don't think I'm gonna swatch this. Queen's Road. Oh, well, never mind. I took it out and now I ruined it, so I am gonna swatch it. I was gonna put this up for a giveaway because I don't see, oh, it's actually really orange now that I'm looking at it. It's like an orange shimmer, but I'll go ahead and swatch it. It's very pigmented. Orange is not a color I really wear on my face or on my clothes. It's very just shimmery orange. It's not a bad color. Seems like a decent shadow. It does look magnetic, so if you have a magnetic palette, you can go ahead and toss that in there, which I will probably do with this. Man, I really want to give that to somebody, but oh well. All right, so that's everything for this box. Yeah. Overall, it's not my favorite box. I know the theme. What is the theme? The prep steps. So it's all stuff aside from makeup, I guess. But I don't know. I only got one makeup product, and that kind of makes me sad because I feel like that's what everybody looks for is makeup products. So also, I don't feel like this is as valuable as other boxes we've gotten from Ricky. Like, you think of a face mask, they're like at most like $3 each. So I don't know. I will research the values of everything and put that down below so you guys can see if you think it was worth it. I feel like they went up to $14, and this is probably my least favorite box, honestly. I'm not going to use... And I mean, I really wasn't going to use any of it except for this and possibly this. This I'm using now because I touched it, so... Yeah, not really a good box in my opinion. I will give them a few more tries, but I mean, for $14, I guess for $14 it's still not a bad box, but if they would just give me more makeup, it would have made me happier. I don't know. I just like makeup. I feel like people use skin stuff and you find a skincare thing you like and that's kind of what you stick with. I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? What is your opinion on this box? Did it get better with $14 or did it go down? You know what I think. Can't really hide it on my face, honestly. Anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, more unboxings, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. That would mean so much to me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.